In this section, we're going to talk about how to evaluate POSM using a diagnostic toolkit that's called the 4 Cs. But first of all, what is the 4 Cs? It's a diagnostic tool that promotes a singular language and a process that allows teams to assess POSM and if it's likely to work with shoppers in the outlet. Again, it consists of the 4 C criteria that are called cut through, consistent, clear, and connect. And why is this so important? It's because POSM tends to be a subjective marketing tool with multiple views as to if an individual item will work or is being designed in the most effective way. So the 4 Cs is a tool to ensure objectivity when describing and evaluating POSM. Where and when should you use the 4 Cs? So basically you should use the 4 Cs in everything that you do when you're designing POSM and creating activations. So when designing all kind of POSM across the different channels that we talked about, when you're briefing agencies on POSM and activation briefs, when you're creating the POSM catalog, for instance, when you're evaluating agency POSM proposals or designs that they have created, when you're reviewing your current POSM, when reviewing competitors' POSM as well, or when talking to customers about upcoming initiatives and promo programs, you can show that you have evaluated your POSM and that you objectively think that this POSM or activation will work based on this 4 C analysis that you have done. How to use the 4 Cs POSM diagnostic toolkit. So it's actually not as difficult as you might think. You're using the 4 C diagnostic template for each piece of POSM that you're creating, and the template will show in another video. You'll complete the template, you'll discuss each rating with relevant stakeholders to ensure that you have objectivity and you get input from different stakeholders. You go through each question under each of the Cs, so the clear, cut through, consistent, and connect. Then you answer yes or no and write the reasoning behind the answer. If a question is not applicable, write not applicable and it will not count towards the final score of the POSM. Conclude each sheet by designating, keep, discard, or redesign the POSM that you have created or an agency maybe have created. And then an important note is that you must have at least 2 yeses per C to keep the POSM that you have created. So the score you can see over here, the scoring decision tree. If you have more than 8 yeses, it would be a great design and you can keep the design. If you have a yes total score between 5 and 8, you should probably redesign the POSM because then it might not fulfill all the criteria that you are looking for. If you have a yes total score that's below 5, you should really discard this POSM because then it will not have the impact that you are looking for and it would basically just be something that you're wasting money towards. So this would be how to use the 4 Cs POSM diagnostic toolkit, and the template will show in another video.